Welcome to the Unusual Options channel. Today is February 6th, 3:44 p.m. We are looking at Activision Blizzard, ticker symbol ATVI. You will notice that the IV is very high at 95% right now because it will be reporting earnings after hours. So let's take a look at the unusual options activity. Okay, we see something very unusual, 8,750 right here. Selling the 70 puts and buying the 67. So that's selling a bull put spread. So it should, somebody with a lot of buying power is buying this or selling it to take advantage of the IV crush from the earnings, that it won't go below 70. It has already dropped 4.5% today. And if we were to look at the trade, we will also see that this is the trade here, collecting 91 in credit right now. And here it is. Let's just put up one of them and you'll see that this is the trade. We're at $71 right now. And so it is, it could fall below 69 before it is a loss, because we're collecting about $91 in credit by selling the 70 puts. So this is an options trade idea based on the unusual options activity I'm seeing here. You'll also see, let's look at the charts here. Here we are, Activision. You'll see it's also kind of near support here for the whole year. And so this is going to be going up. Let's put on the daily here. Oh yeah, there it is. Wow, look, you see Activision has already gone down, so somebody thinks it's going to be going up after earnings. So if you like this channel, subscribe and you'll get instant notifications whenever I see options activity. Take care.